Want to pay zero taxes? Okay, maybe not zero, but I'll show you how to slash your tax bill using retirement accounts. And almost no one's doing it right. Today, I'm diving into the challenge of maximizing my tax savings using retirement accounts. And I'm sharing with you all the strategies and pro tips I've learned along the way. Maximizing tax savings through retirement accounts is a crucial financial planning as it can help you reduce taxable income and increase your overall savings. Many people believe retirement accounts are only for older individuals, which limits many of them from taking advantage of tax benefits. This misconception can be costly, as starting to save earlier and make a significant difference in the long run. Retirement accounts offer a range of benefits, from tax deductions to compound interest, that can help individuals build a secure financial future. People often think that retirement accounts are often complicated or only for those with high incomes, but this isn't the case. The truth is, anyone can benefit from using retirement accounts to reduce their taxable income. By harnessing the power of retirement accounts, individuals can keep more of their hard-earned money and achieve their financial goals. Retirement accounts come in various forms such as 401ks and IRAs, each with unique benefits and contribution limits. These accounts can help reduce taxable income, allowing individuals to keep more of their money and invest it in the future. For instance, contributions to a 401k are tax deductible, which means they can lower an individual's taxable income. IRAs offer more tax benefits, although the rules for deducting contributions can be more complicated. By understanding the different type of retirement accounts and how they work, individuals can be more informed about their decisions about their financial planning. Utilizing these accounts can lead to significant tax savings over time, making them an essential tool for anyone looking to maximize their financial potential. Hey family, let's take a quick break. I hope you're gaining massive value from this video. But let's be real, over 75% of people watching these videos aren't even subscribed yet. If you're serious about building real wealth and keeping more of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I'm offering free discovery calls right now for those who are ready to take action and take control over their taxes, their business, and their future. That's right. This is your chance to get a personalized, comprehensive plan to keep more of what you earn. I'm talking about saving $10,000 to $50,000 or more in the first year alone. Click the link below to book your free call, but don't wait. Spots are limited. Let's lock in your savings and your strategy. Now, let's get back to the video. Using retirement accounts effectively can significantly increase your tax savings, as seen in this young case for this professional who started contributing to a 401k in her early 20s. By consistently contributing to her 401k account and taking advantage of her employer's matching program, she was able to reduce her taxable income and build a substantial nest egg. Her foresight and discipline paid off, as she was able to save thousands of dollars in taxes over the years. This example illustrates the power of retirement accounts in maximizing tax savings and achieving long-term financial goals. By starting early and being consistent, anyone can reap the benefits of retirement accounts and secure their financial future. As this individual's story shows, the key to maximizing tax savings is to start using retirement accounts as soon as possible and make consistent contributions over time. If you use retirement accounts to maximize your tax savings, drop a comment below and share your experience. If you got any questions, feel free to ask, and we're definitely here to help. And don't forget to check out my next video on tax tips to help you make the most amount of money possible. Tap here to keep learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.